So yellow is correct. White should be placed here. Orange should be placed here. Red should be placed here. Okay. So we need a 3-cycle move. Okay, to do that, so we need a clockwise 3-cycle move. Okay, white should be placed here, orange should be placed here, and red should be placed here. So hold it like this and do this algorithm. F U R U prime R prime and then F prime. Okay, they are fixed. Now we will fix the 4 corners. Let's see if we have one correct. White, blue and yellow, no. Yellow, green and orange, no.